Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is for all the Capricorns for the month of June 2018. This is a detailed reading. I have made readings for the entire year and then half yearly, and this is now for June 2018 for all the Capricorns. Let's check what is the basic energy flowing in the June for you people. Okay, so there are fights going on, there are wars going on, and I think for other sign also I got this card. I don't remember which sign, but yes, because of the environmental issues and the planetary placements, most of you are facing the similar kind of situations, and this also signifies lawsuits, law firms, and something related with court cases as well. In Capricorn already it is ruled by Saturn, and then similarly it has a sign which it has a card which says that there's some kind of war going on. The king of swords signifies that either you are thinking like, what the heck is happening to you, and you want to just give it back, or else somebody else with you is feeling like that. And king of swords also say that you really need to be very, very practical in every approach. And Capricorn is a practical sign. It is a sign of status. It is a sign of accomplishments. So King of Swords is a very, very practical man with all his agendas fulfilling by his own way. That way could be shrewd. That way could be too much practicality, whatever it is. But this card signifies that practicality and very, very direct approach is required in your whatever case is going on, whatever energy is going on. Okay, let's check why this card has come up. So some waiting zones and a lot of hiding of things are there. I mean, somebody has actually hidden many things from you, or it could be now that is the reason you want to act like a king of swords who really got to know what is going on and now feeling punished or feeling like agitated, and then you want to just revert back. And yes, it is a matter of truth. Some truth needs to be revealed, or it is a matter of truth. It is a matter of some kind of unknown things coming to light, because Princess of Pentacles, of course, many things are hidden. This woman or a character like this is there in your life who is really behind money or loves money, and there are many things, agendas or something hidden with that. And yes, there was waiting zone for money, maybe by this person, because it is on the left side of it, is in the past of this person. So maybe this person really wanted that thing, that awaiting zone of that opportunity or that money, something related with finances is going on. Let's check what is the major event in June you will be facing. I think you really need to get out of your comfort zone, and yeah, Capricorns are too much in love with their comforts. And okay, so basically it is a month where you need to judge by yourself, or the other person is forcing you. The environment says that it is a demand and supply problem. Your demands may not match up to the supply, and your supplies do not match up to the demand. It could be any which ways, because there is a feeling of stagnation or tiredness, and this woman is ever demanding, and it is a Queen of Cups, so a person who loves money, loves luxuries, but still want to complain. And as we got this Prince of Pentacles as well, so I feel that yes, there is something going on regarding money, and you are tired. You're tired, Capricorn. You have no control over this issue. Basically, it could be a house, it could be your own spouse, or it could be a environmental thing, a lady in your office, and a lot of planning is there. And I see a Judgment cards, so again, a lot of demands and belief of getting everything through you, and you just go on giving. That is what they expect, and they don't want to listen to that thing, because that flute in this Judgment card, if you can see that flute, just the flute. So that is something, a alarming thing for you, and you really feel punished because the demands are so high that you're not able to fulfill, though you want to make again a new start. But then it's a random combination. It's Ace of Swords and then Ten of Swords. So it's kind of an energy which says that should I go ahead, and then you bounce back, and it's like it's of no use. So kind of energy which has made you tired, as well as a Capricorn sign, you really feel that maybe that is something required by you to restart and rebuild, but then that's not happening. That thing has actually punished you in a way that this entire thing is not for you. You feel that. Let's see that what you can do to change this situation, or what is the advice coming up for you, Capricorn. Okay. All right. So I feel beautiful cards have come up as an advice, and I feel that you have to wait a bit. Wait a bit in the sense that let the situation end and you don't react. You don't give back, or you don't give up. The Ace of Wands and Ten of Wands kind of a situation, because you have got Sun, you have got World, you have got Temperance. That shows that things will come in your control. Things will be under your control, though we have Ten of Swords also with that, but that is again 10. So things are going to complete. There is something which is coming up strongly as Sun, because you have Temperance and Sun card, both having Sun behind, and it's just completely a Sun card. Something related with souls, energy, spirits, something related to your ancestors or your partner's ancestors, or something is going to come up which is going to end this situation, or something which is balancing. Maybe if people are waiting for governmental support, they will be with you. Just wait for a while. If you people have some kind of issue of, and you know what, in this World card as well, I see a bull, and that is also a significator of your ancestors. So I feel that you are stuck because of your ancestors, or something which is pending, or kind of a karmic punishment. So pray to your ancestors. I feel that is an indication, a strong indication. Go towards your ancestors and you will be enlightened by something. You will get an answer. You will get something moving. You will get that. Okay. The last card for June for you, I want to pull out. See, it's Nine of Wands. That says that only one point is remaining to complete this journey of darkness. And then there will be sun shining, there will be temperance, that will be balance. I feel that you have to just wait. Just wait and things will come under control. Definitely. And I believe that Nine of Wands has always given you an indication, an indication of you've been waiting for so long to get this sorted, and it will get sorted. It will give you some enlightenment. And this person is, just staring in one direction. If you see, this person is just absolutely staring in one direction, having all these wands, the behind and one in the hand. It's kind of ready. It's kind of ready for that 10. And once that 10 comes in, the journey of that particular trauma is over and you're out of it. So you will be sure out of it, and you have to just give it time and pray to your ancestors, your powers. Your powers have been connected with you and your family, and this will be sorted. Hope you like my reading. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and put that ring bell on so that you get every notification, because I would love to make weeklies and maybe dailies as long as I get that time. And yes, if you want to have personal consultation with me, you can obviously have that. Please message me, mail me, all my details are there below. And I will be coming back soon with the next month prediction. For that, I want you to be staying tuned. Okay, bye bye.